It's your boy Damien Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on them infill lots. Coming to you today live for some more epic wild content. You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialist YouTube channel. This is your first time here. I appreciate you, salute you, thank you so much. I appreciate you for checking out my content. Today I'm going to be talking about land strategy part 2. And with a hyper-focus on targeting churches that own lot for 20, 25, 30 years. That meets our criteria. So in order to do this, before I jump right in, I got to make a couple of announcements. You don't want to miss this. This video is going to be like that. You hear me? Like this opportunity, I have found so many lots. I mean, just calling churches up. As you can see from my previous video, we got a church that want to sell us a lot. Okay. So as you can see, this strategy is very, very powerful. Okay. It was a nonprofit, but the nonprofit is inside of the church. And like I say, they wanted to sell. So that's good news you can use. If you're local to the Charlotte market and you want to attend a meetup, yours truly hosts a meetup once a month. The link is in the description. The next meetup will be on the 25th, 7 to 9 p.m. You don't want to miss it. Go ahead and sign up. Go ahead and like. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you find anything valuable, go ahead and drop me a comment. I really, really appreciate you. And last but not least, yours truly have a paid course, fresh off the press, $9.97. Off the chain, like John Wayne. Epic wild content, line upon line, precept on precept. You don't want to miss it. The price is going up soon to 2 racks, okay? The price is going to double. So I just want you to get in while the price is still at $1,000. All right, so let me jump right in. In order to do this, you will need data tree, okay? Let me break down data tree for you, if you will. All right, data tree is basically a data provider. It's pretty expensive, but it's quality data. You get what you pay for. They have some filters that other data providers don't have, such as PropStream or whatever you're using. So basically what this filter is let me tell you more about data tree. Data tree is it's a contract. It's a 12-month commitment, and I think the cheapest plan they got is $149 a month. If you do the math on that, 149 is 6 cents per lead. That's the plan that I'm on. So you just say $150. So you get about 2,500 leads a month for that $150, give or take. Okay, but it's worth it to me. They lock you in a 12-year contract, but this data gives you what we call longitude and latitude, and that allows you, when I send out postcards, allow me to put a picture of the property according to the coordinates on the property. One thing I just noticed, and I just paid attention to, in certain counties when I'm pulling land, data tree have a filter for water and sewer, and it tells me the property that has water and sewer, water no sewer, or no water no sewer. So that's another thing that I feel that's valuable in a land business when you're trying to target certain type of lots. Okay, so I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you this filter and show you what I would do. Okay, because I won't have time to do it on this video. It'll take a little while, but what I would do. Okay, so basically I would put my regular filters in, like, okay, let me show you what my regular filters are. All right, so I'm going to target North Carolina. I'm going to target a county. I'm going to target the whole county. And I'm going to target Mecklenburg County. Let me see, M. All right, so I want the whole county, and the reason why I want the whole county because there might be some churches that got some land that they want to sell to me. All right, so I'm gonna just go down here to residential lots. Residential lots. You can put as much stuff in there as you want to. No worries. I'm gonna do lots that's minimum lot area 5,000 square feet, and I'm gonna do up to 10 acres. So an acre is 43,560. And basically you just, you target up to 10 acres. So that's, all right, that's 435,600. All right, put some more filters in there that I like. Last sales date, is before, it's 2022 now, minus 20, 2002. So I want to make sure they at least own it 20 years. The longer the better. Probably forgot about it. So you just do March, and then you go down to 2002. Right here, boom. Select the date, wow. Okay. All right. So another thing I do is assess value. I like to target cheap little infill lots inside of neighborhoods. Okay. So for Charlotte, I probably do assess land value 5,000, and I probably cap it at about 50. That's my sweet spot. That's what I like. It works. It works. All right, listing information. Listing is not active on the market, pending, because I don't want nothing that's on the market. I want it off market. I'm an off-market land specialist. Hit me out. I don't want nothing on the market, even though I do flip properties on the market and make change doing it, which is a great strategy as well. But I don't for this one. I don't want that. All right, so for right now, I'm just getting my count just to see how the numbers shaping up. I really want a smaller targeted list. I don't want a great big list. The more targeted it is, the more niche it is, the better opportunity. All right, 3,621. All right, so now it's time to add the sauce on there. All right, so now I'm going to add the sauce on there, and just make sure I ain't forget nothing. Oh, I can target churches that's delinquent. Oh, I didn't know that. Let's try that. Oh no. Okay, I got 7. Sweet. Edit. Got Mecklenburg, and then I put delinquent yes, and then 7 came up, but I didn't put my filter on there yet, so it ain't gonna show me just the churches. So I'm gonna take the delinquent off because I'm not looking for delinquent. I just want churches. Okay. So the reason the filter that I'm about to show you how to put on is right down as soon as I can find it. It's called tax status. And they're taxed as like a nonprofit or something like that. It's tax status. All right. Sales day. I'm trying to find that filter, and that's where I can filter out the churches. Mailing, sales day. Probably overlooking it. Finance number, lien, estimate loan, finance, purchase, pace, equity, estimated listing status, foreclosure status. Huh. I don't see the joint. Stop foreclosure. I just did it the other day. Bear with me, people. Appreciate your patience. Listing, recording, record a month, show the name, mailing address, mailing, corporate owned. Here we go. It's right here under owner. It's under exemption. And then you want to do this joint right here that says religious exemption. Then you want to get the count. All right. So I might be too heavy on the years. Let me take a little bit of the years off and see if I can get a hit. All right. So I only got 1. Let me try this. Let me take the amount off. So basically, you got to play with the filters to see what's throwing your numbers off. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta play with the filters. All right, so I only got 2. with that square footage for churches. All right, so let's try another spot. You know what I'm saying? Let's try another spot. Or we could hit those too. But, you know, you could bounce around and do it in different places. And the same thing, you'll just do your due diligence like you would do anything else. And that's it. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. So this strategy is real powerful. Hear me out. This is a powerful strategy. Especially if you can skip trace these people, get them on the phone, and make them a great offer. Hear me out. Don't lowball people. Don't do that. Listen, people don't want to be lowballed. That's why, you know, lowballs, yeah, they get deals, but, you know, they ripping people off. Don't rip people off. Bless their socks off. All right, so I'm going to come up out of, take this Mecklenburg off, hit the whole county. I feel like something else throwing my filters off, though. It might be, I think I know what's throwing my filters off. All right. Land use. All right. So basically, anything in Charlotte sale, any type of land use. So how you make sure you only get lots is you do bedrooms equals 0. I think I know why something throwing my filters off. Because that number don't seem right. Total bath, 0. And this is just to make sure you just getting lots. Assessed improvement value is 0. And then you could do something like living area is 0. And that joint is going to filter out everything that's not a lot. You dig? Alright. Then you do something like living area is 0. This will give you all the lots. Alright, so I knew I wasn't tripping. Yeah. So what was throwing my count off is the land use that I put. So I'm going to go ahead and put my filters back on there. And I'm going to play with some filters to see, you know, if I can stack some filters. Let me see if they delinquent on any taxes. Let me see what their list look like. Is my internet working? It might be this system though, because this system do be lagging a little bit. Let me make sure my other stuff working. Yeah, everything else working. Everything else Gucci. It's the system right here. Everything else Gucci. All right, 26 results. That's good news. And you remember that we did take off the assessed value. So I'm going to go ahead and review the results and just kind of see what I got. Okay. And then you could do like, you know, churches that may be out of state, you know what I'm saying? So you can do that. You can try to find a church that's delinquent, and then you could try with the tax exemption, and then you could do like owner status. You can do like out of state, you know what I'm saying? Absentee owner, or like a different mailing address as the property address. Again, this joint slow motion, but you get the gist of it. You get, you know what I'm saying, what's going on with it. So listen, if you found any value in this, go ahead and drop me a comment. Go ahead and smash that like button. Turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any more Epic Wild content from your boy. Appreciate you so much, and I'm gone like the wind.